Coming this spring is the feistiest version of the all-new Jetta, the small, sporty GLI. Marking its sixth generation, the 2019 GLI swaps the Jetta's 1.4-liter engine for the GTI's 2-liter turbo, producing 228 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque, increasing its power over the previous generation. And yes, a 6-speed manual is still available, while a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic is optional. Its brakes are shared with VW's other performance cars, as is the limited slip differential that helps to improve traction and further performance by reducing understeer. A fully independent lowered sport suspension is made even more sophisticated on the special 35th anniversary model by adding an adaptive damping system, which includes a comfort setting to the 4 standard drive modes: normal, sport, eco, and custom. In addition to a more dynamic throttle and shift response and tighter steering, Sport mode includes a more spirited exhaust note. The black interior can be specified in either cloth or leather depending on trim, while available features like the digital cockpit display, 400-watt Beats audio system, and 10-color customizable ambient lighting add pizzazz. The 2019 Volkswagen Jetta GLI is available in 2 regular trim levels and a 35th anniversary edition. Pricing has yet to be announced. For TestDriveNow.com, I'm Steve Hammis.